All right, had a great free coaching session yesterday with a gentleman from here on the channel asking about business credit. If you want your own one-on-one free coaching session with me directly, you can go ahead and reserve that by clicking the link below and jumping on my calendar. I think my wait time right now is about a month out, so we're getting caught up on those, and I would love to sit one-on-one with you and start building a game plan with you. Now, he was asking about business credit, really was insisting that he needed it to build his business. And while I don't necessarily agree that that's the case, and most of us can get away by just dealing with personal guarantees and using our personal credit scores to obtain some of my favorite business-related debt weapons that don't even report to your personal credit report, there is a time and place for business credit. What I want to do today is to discuss business credit and why you may need it. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything that you need to know about business credit, how to build it, and also the best ways to go about using it. So what is a business credit score? Well, a business credit score is a rating given to a business that indicates its credit worthiness, no different than your personal side. It's very similar to the personal score, but it's specific to businesses. The score is based on various factors like payment history, credit utilization, and credit history. And as we know, your personal credit score may look different depending on where it's coming from. Your FICO credit score, for instance, may be one number, while your Vantage credit score provided by Credit Karma, for example, is another. Well, business credit scores are really no different, and there are 5 major types of business credit scores out there. The first type of business credit is the FICO Small Business Scoring Service score, and that is also known as the SBSS. That score was created by the Fair Isaac Corporation, and it's used by the Small Business Administration, which we know as the SBA, to assess the credit worthiness of businesses that apply for loans through the SBA's 7A loan program. The score ranges from 0 to 300, with higher scores indicating better credit worthiness, of course. The second type of business credit score is the D&B score, or Dun & Bradstreet Paydex score. This score is based on a business's payment history. It also ranges from 0 to 100 instead of 0 to 300 like FICO, with higher scores indicating better payment history, of course. The score is used by lenders, suppliers, as well as other businesses to assess a company's credit worthiness. The third type of business credit score is what's known as Experian IntelliScore Plus. Now, the score is based on a business's credit history, payment history, public records, as well as a few other factors. The Experian IntelliScore Plus is used by lenders. It's used by suppliers, other businesses to assess a company's credit worthiness, of course, too. Now, the fourth on this list of 5 of business credit scores is the Equifax Business Credit Risk Score. And this score is based on a business's credit history, payment history, public records, and other factors as well. Now, it ranges from 101 to 992, as bizarre as that is, with the higher scores indicating credit worthiness, of course, and it's used by lenders, suppliers, and other businesses, just like the others, to assess a company's credit worthiness. And finally, there's the FICO Liquid Credit Small Business Scoring Service. Now, this score is based on a business's credit history, other factors. It ranges from 0 to 300, and higher scores, of course, mean better credit worthiness. It's also going to be used by lenders, suppliers, and perhaps other businesses to determine a credit worthiness of a business. Now, you might be wondering, why do you need a business credit score? And it's simply a good idea. It's a good credit score that can help you get access to loans, can get you access to credit lines and other financial products. A BLOC, or a business line of credit, is one such financial product, and it can be extremely powerful in helping you grow your business. If you want the best BLOC at the best interest rates and terms, then building and maintaining high business credit scores might be helpful for you. While I still find that you can get them with personal credit guarantees, it doesn't hurt to have a business credit score as well. And a high business credit score can actually help you establish credibility with suppliers, along with customers and investors, and that means the power can go beyond just getting a debt weapon. So how do you build a great business credit score if you think, in fact, it would help you? Well, the first step is to establish your business as a separate legal entity from yourself. And that means getting a tax ID number. You've got to incorporate the business. You should also be opening separate business bank accounts and obtaining business phone lines and a business address. And once you've established your business profile, you can actually start to build your business credit scores by applying for different types of credit accounts and then, of course, making those payments on time. Business credit cards are going to be a good place to start. Although you don't need a business credit score to get those, it can help build your business credit. And you're likely to get approved for better cards when you apply for credit cards that are provided by banks where your business checking account resides. That's usually where I recommend people start. Now, once you've got your first business credit account opened, you should focus on maintaining a low credit utilization rate, no different than your personal credit, and a good credit payment history. And it's important to note that building a business credit score, it does take time. So be patient, be persistent in your efforts. A good credit score can help you get access to a variety of powerful debt weapons, but it's important to use these products very wisely. Avoid taking on too much debt. I think that goes without saying. Make sure you can afford to make the payments on the debt you're taking on time, and even paying it off in full is much suggested here. It's also important to monitor your credit scores regularly in order to address errors or any issues that do come up. And in conclusion, having a great business credit score is essential for any business looking to access financing and establish credibility. This is if you want the most well-rounded credit profile. Now that we've gone over the basics of business credit, what questions would you like us to cover in future videos about this? Go ahead and let us know in the comments below. I'll be sure to add it to our list. I do want to thank you for watching today's video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and share the video with anybody that you think would benefit from it. Until we see you on the next video, make it a great day today and keep on cash flowing. Take care.